GREEB is a €1.77 million, 3-year transnational project supporting renewable energy enterprises across the west of Ireland, Northern Ireland, Scotland, Finland, Norway and Iceland. GREEB aims to help startups and SMEs at different stages of their development to take the next step and is focused on overcoming the challenges of doing business in peripheral and Arctic regions. The countries on the western periphery of Europe have significant wind resources. Ireland, Scotland and Sweden already produce a large proportion of their electricity from wind. The business of exploiting wind energy to produce electricity is carried out at various scales, from single turbines to large wind farms. Large wind farms are generally developed by electricity generating companies using 2 to 3 megawatt wind turbines. Many of these developments make a financial contribution to local communities through a fund which the community can use for a variety of purposes. Schemes utilising single or small numbers of wind turbines have been developed by individuals, companies and charities. These can either be used as a solution to local energy requirements, or the electricity can be sold to the grid. These smaller schemes have the potential to contribute to local community development and can provide much needed income for rural communities. Community wind developments usually install smaller turbines, 1 megawatt or smaller. For example, in the Scottish Highlands, Dingwall Wind Co-op has run a 250 kilowatt wind turbine since June 2014. This turbine was the first entirely cooperatively owned wind development in Scotland. The co-op has 179 members and 90% of them live in the local area. The project was financed with £856,000 raised by selling £1 shares. Shareholders receive an annual return on their investment, and the co-op additionally contributes between £2,000 and £8,000 to a community fund which provides grants to local organisations. The latest grants provided funding for improved public access to the local countryside. The GREEB project is co-funded by the European Regional Development Fund under the Northern Periphery and Arctic Programme 2014 to 2020.